Hey everyone, today we are going to perform a descriptive analysis using Power BI. As you can already see, I have already downloaded the data on the Power BI, and we will right away start with the first question, that is customer purchasing behaviors across age groups, and we will select the chart. We observed that middle-aged customers tend to spend more per transaction, indicating high purchasing power and strong engagement. Purchase frequency is analyzed against total sales. High-frequency buyers contribute a very large shares of revenue, making them the most commercially valuable segment. Third, visualization highlights spending variation across product categories. Certain categories generate higher average transaction values, which can guide pricing and promotional strategies. Seasonal analysis reveals clear fluctuations in customer spending. Certain seasons constantly outperform others, suggesting demand cycle. For fifth question, we are going to put a table. Frequently purchased items reflect stable demand, with low frequency items suggest niche or impulse buying. Then product size preference by category. Size preference vary by category, supporting the need for category specific invention planning. In season purchasing behavior, spending increases during specific seasons, and some categories are more season sensitive than others. And if we look at the seasonal purchasing behavior of the customers, we'll see that spending increase during specific season, and some categories are more season sensitive than others. We can also see that promotional engagement is associated with higher spending and slightly improved satisfaction in this chart. Comparing purchases with and without promotional incentives show that promotional influence spending behavior, validating the effectiveness of discount. Faster shipping options are associated with higher transaction values, suggesting urgency driven purchases. What about the payment method usage? Digital payment method dominates, highlighting the importance of seamless fintech integration. Last but not the least, geographic differences. Purchasing behavior varies by region, suggesting localized marketing opportunities. Moving forward to the inferential or predictive analysis. Here, differences in spending across shipping options suggest that delivery choices influence transaction value. The observed average spending can be statistically compared against a target value of 50 to assess alignment with revenue objective. The result on the screen indicates whether customer satisfaction meets, exceeds, or falls below the organization's quality benchmark. The mean is significantly lower than 20. Retention targets are not being met. Here, a significant p-value indicates shipping choices is associated with spending differences. Here in this part, we accept the null hypothesis, which means that there is no significant difference between promotional activities and customer spending. This shows that significant category differences justify differentiated pricing or promotions. Seasonal variation suggests that external factors affect satisfaction. Here you can see the highly interactive dashboard that we have made using Power BI. Through this dashboard, you can see fluctuations across different categories, seasons, different variables, one by one. And as you can see on the screen, that this dashboard is very much interactive. So if you want to look at one variable and its fluctuation across different variables, you can see that. Lastly, let's move forward towards the prescriptive analysis. So, based on the observed purchasing patterns, the business should adopt a targeted rather than a uniform strategy. High frequency and loyal customers should be prioritized for retention and personalized promotions as they contribute to highest revenue. Furthermore, pricing and bundling strategies should vary by category, focusing premium pricing on constantly demanded products and bundling complementary items. From an operational perspective, cost efficient shipping and digital payment methods should be encouraged where they do not negatively impact spending or satisfaction. And overall, these actions enable the firm to convert analytical insights into data driven business decisions.